Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will practice a numerical question from the chapter Light. So here is the question. An object 5 cm is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a convex mirror. The mirror is given is convex mirror of radius of curvature 30 cm. Find the position, nature and size of the image. So हमें क्या क्या given है पहले ये समझना जरूरी है. इसमें क्वेश्चन में ये लिखा है कि an object of height 5 cm means we have been given with the height of the object as this is HO, height of the object as 5 cm. Okay, and it is a convex mirror. So always remember the focal length of convex mirror is always positive. But have we given the convex mirror focal length? No. So what we are given with that curvature. So don't get confused. Always remember that radius of curvature capital R is twice of the focal length, right? So we can easily find what is F, that is R by 2. What is R given here is 30 cm. So the focal length is 15 cm. So don't get confused with that. Always remember that focal length is the radius of curvature is twice of focal length. Okay, and for a convex mirror, it is always positive. You have to remember the sign convention. Now, we have been given with 15 cm as a focal length and the object distance U is 20 cm. Tell me, will it be positive or negative? Of course, negative. Image distance in any case of mirror and lens, it should be negative. Now, we have to find the position, nature and size of the image. So, let's start with the position. We know 1 by F equals to 1 by V plus 1 by U. This is the lens formula, right? So, we have to find 1 by V equals to 1 by F minus 1 by U. So, let's put all the values. 1 by V equals to 1 by F is given as 15 minus and 1 by U is 1 by minus 20, right? So, here it goes like this. 1 by V equals to 1 by 15 minus plus by 1 by 20. It is very easy. You can find the LCM. The LCM must be 60. Okay, 60 divided by 15 is 4. 4 into 1 is 4. 60 divided by 20 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. That is 7 by 60 equals to, now V is 60 by 7. That is equals to 86 cm. Okay. So here we got 8.16. Okay, this is positive. So it is real image. Now, so you got the position of the image, that is 8.6. Now we have to find the size of the image. That means magnification. We know magnification is minus V by U equals to height of the image by height of the object. Am I right? So we have to find height of the image, that is minus V into height of the object by U. Just simply put the values and you will get the answer. Here V is minus sign is there. 8.6 into HO is 5 cm by, and this object distance is minus 20 cm. So it is equals to 2. Minus cancel. So 2.45 cm. Okay. So here the height of the image is 2.45 cm and we got the distance of the image from the mirror is 8.6 cm. Okay, so we got the position, we got the nature and the size. Such type of question is very, very important for your board exams. To understand this question, you must learn the sign convention of convex lens and mirror. In the next video, we will understand with a trick to find the sign convention of focal length, U and V. Okay, that's all for today. For any doubt, please put in the comment box and we will definitely answer that.